Hey everyone. So today is the first day of October, and it's unfortunately coming to the end of the growing season for my victory garden. One of the things I'm going to do today is overwinter one of my pepper plants. Today I'm going to be overwintering my Shishito plant. Here's how I'm going to do it. Okay, well here is my Shishito pepper plant. The first thing I want to do is just start removing all the peppers that I have on there. So I'm going to take my shears here. Ideally you want to use clean shears, but these are the only pair I have. They're a little rusty. So I'm just going to start taking these off. Just pick them up once I'm done trimming them. There's another one. Let's see where I can find more here. Here's one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Let's see. See right here. There we go. Gotta make sure I grab these before the rabbits get them. I don't think rabbits eat peppers, do they? Let's see. Here's another one. And here's another one. Alright. I think I see like one or two more here. Yeah, there we are. Okay. Now I have to prune the plant. So, just try to get it down to the bare minimum of stems and some leaves because I want to be able to start growing back while I keep it inside. So, if you'll see down here, the plant has roughly 3 main stems. Those are the ones I'm probably going to trim it down to. I don't know if you can see there or not. But yeah. So, I'm going to start pruning these now. Start pruning from the top. Okay. Yeah, I know it's probably cringe-worthy if you see other buds forming that can lead to other peppers, but, you know, first frost date's just around the corner, so look away if you get squeamish. There you go. Okay, trim down here, too. Alright. Here as well. Here too. And here, yeah. Okay, and maybe this one here as well. Okay, so I hacked up the plant pretty well. It's down to its few main stems. So the next step is to dig it out of the soil. Now in the process, I'm going to be pruning its roots as well because the shovel is going to be cutting at the roots, which is good because the plant cannot get root bound in the pot that I'll be putting it inside of while it is inside during the winter. So it's killing 2 birds with 1 stone with that part. Alright, so let's excavate this thing. Okay, the plant has been removed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this pot. I've already put a bottom layer of soil in there. So I'll put the plant in next and then I'll top it off with some more potting soil. Okay, and there you have it. So, I used some of the leaves as a layer of mulch for the top of the soil. Those will eventually dry out. And then I am going to be giving this a little water, and then I'll bring it inside. I better hurry because it looks like it's about to rain. So, that's how you overwinter a pepper plant. In this case, a Shishito pepper plant. Thank you for watching.